Look at how rich the mycelium is. This is the bucket of watermelon rind enzyme I made a few days ago. This was on the third day when I opened the lid to add more ingredients. I ate 2 watermelons in 2 days. Every time new fruit peels are added, they must be stirred well, so they fully mix with the previous batch. After stirring, seal the lid tightly. This is how it looked on the 5th day. I had some dried orange peels, cut them up, and added them in. Now it's the 8th day, which is today. I've prepared more materials. These are also watermelon rinds. These are potato peels, which are rich in potassium and great for fermentation, and add them in. Here are some other ingredients. These are eggshells from my boiled eggs this morning, rich in calcium and other minerals, which help add nutrients to the enzyme. The green bits are cucumber peels, along with some tomato ends. They are all commonly used for making enzymes, can also be added. One important thing to note: meat, dairy products, oily or salty foods are not suitable for enzyme making. Do not add them. These can disrupt the fermentation process, lower the quality of the enzyme, or even cause fermentation failure and produce harmful substances. What ingredients do you use for making your own enzymes?